Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello, annyeonghaseyo. And my hands are a little red. But today, I will be showing you guys a little bit of clay things that I can make out of Among Us characters. This is a super fun thing that I like making every now and then. So right now, this is just my mat. I have a other table. It has a little sticky pad on the back that you kind of just lay down, and it has a lot of cutting marks from, all my cutting things. Make sure to stay safe when you're using hot and sharp objects, guys. So first, I'm gonna go grab the little Among Us characters that I have in store to show you that I can make. Okay, I got them, guys. Okay, here they are. So I have some of these little guys. They're super cute. This one, which is the plant, the little egg. I have actually two of these ones. I have this one and this one. This one's not as good. This one was actually my first one. This one's probably my... actually, this one's my least favorite. I like how the nest turned out, but it's just the kind of white that I had to use for it. I gotta say my favorite one out of all of them has to be the little one, because this one was actually pretty hard to make, the little one, because it's so small. One of the horns fell off on this one, so I'm gonna have to glue it back on, because they're very skinny. I could probably just rip it off right now, the other one, and just make it a red character, because none of them are really plain. They all have hats, so... The clay is bending! Oh my gosh, it won't even break off. You guys see this? It's bending. Okay. They can go over there. Oh, Red just took off his horn. I'm just pushing him over. He took off his other horn. Yay! Here it is. It's actually pretty bendy, guys. Oh, never mind. Sorry, Red. He just said he'll get revenge. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go grab the clay and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the clay, I guess. So what you're going to need for this is some clay. I guess there's some gray clay stuck to it. Probably Red back for revenge for me breaking his horn. And a light blue for its face. This will be an all blue Among Us character. If you want, you can use a pink or a lighter pink or any other color that you pretty much want. But these are the colors that I'm going to be using. And yeah. So another thing that you're going to need for this is little tools. So I would have supervision actually when you're using this particular tool. This is an X-Acto knife, guys. So be very careful when you're working with sharp objects, like I already said. Sorry if it's getting annoying. I just want you guys to stay safe, not get poked. And watch your fingers too, guys. Sorry if I'm so sniffly. It's hot in my room. So you're gonna need about this much clay. And just gonna kind of need to mix it out. But first, we're just gonna kind of cut off a corner. Probably 2 of those. We might not need that much. Oh, no, I added a little bit too little. Never mind. Just gonna do this. And I'm gonna keep cutting, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got them all cut out, and while I was at it, I just rolled them out a little bit. It's not really necessary to roll them out. I just decided to. So, yeah. Move them out over a little. So, next what you're going to do is I'm just going to move that over right now. And kind of just knead it a little bit. You are going to need to roll it up in a ball anyway. So I have this little ball right here, and now what you're going to do is just kind of roll it a little bit long ways. And then you're going to use your X-Acto knife, very sharp object, and just cut its little legs. And by the way, make sure that I guess you can use air dry clay, but this is actually bakeable clay. You can also use like normal clay that doesn't dry, but I mean, it's just gonna make your characters not solid like these guys. Like me. Okay, go back there. So, I'm gonna kinda roll out his legs a little bit, roll out his body a little bit long ways. This is starting to look weird. So, sorry if I keep on moving my hand. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm probably gonna shape it a bit more, and I will be right back. Hey, you get back here. Okay guys, so I got the little character all done and cute. This is what it looks like. And next, you're going to need this blue. You're gonna kind of just roll it up in a circle again after I just ruined it. And you're just gonna kind of squish it out. Since this character is a little bit small, you can just kind of trim it little. No. I didn't want that there. No, okay, I'm just gonna mix it in. Okay, guys, well, this is a mess. It's getting really warm, so it's getting really sticky. So I'll be back when I have it in its rightful shape and when it's in the rightful spot right here. Okay guys, sorry about that noise. I also got the little Among Us character ready. My mom was just checking on my fish because my fish is kind of in a little bit of a commotion, like the same amount of commotion that we're in right now, and COVID-19. So this little thing can go here on its face. That's what this one looks like now. Just gonna conform it like that. And now you will also need more of this. Just a little bit. You can just kind of slice off a small little corner of it and just knead it a little. And this will be the little back of it. So you're gonna need more, like this much. Probably less, so I'm just gonna peel a little bit off. Okay, little back is done. Kinda looks terrible. Just there. Got the little back, got the little front. That's my little Among Us character. Now I'm going to shade it. Some of these things. Guys, so I finished. This is my little finishing results. I have a little shade, and here's what it looks like. It's super cute and adorable, I think, and I'm super proud of it. This and this. I think they're both really cute, but I mean, this one has the shade and everything. So, I really hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys have fun with your day or night or afternoon. I don't know. Middle of the night? I don't know, still. Well, I hope you guys have a nice day. A grand day, too. And an Among Us day. And a very sus day. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. What was that? I came for revenge. Okay, Red. Just gonna... Bye. Give you my heart.